Let's count together one by one. Learning numbers is so much fun. One apple, big and bright. One apple, such a delight. One apple, take a bite. Counting starts with one, all right. Two ducks, quack, quack, quack. Two ducks, feathers on their back. Two ducks walking in a pack. Counting on to two, we're on track. Now we've counted, it's been fun. From 1 to 10, each and every one. Numbers are awesome, we all agree. Counting to 8 feels just right. Now we've counted, it's been fun. From 1 to 10, each and every one. Numbers are all at play. Three strawberries, juicy and red. Three strawberries in a flower bed. Three strawberries on a picnic spread. Counting 3, we've happily said. Four bananas, long and yellow. Four bananas, ripe and mellow. Four bananas, such a cheerful fellow. Counting 4 makes us all bellow. Five mangoes, sweet as can be. Five mangoes growing on the tree. Five mangoes, share with me. Counting to 5 fills us with glee. Yeah. Six cherries, tiny and sweet. Six cherries, a tasty treat. Six cherries can't be beat. Counting 6 feels so neat. Seven pineapples, spiky and grand. Seven pineapples from a tropical land. Seven pineapples right at hand. Counting 7 is just so grand. Eight oranges, round and bright. Eight oranges, such a sight. Eight oranges, full of delight. Counting to 8 feels just right. Nine avocados, smooth and green. Nine avocados, healthy and lean.